Wealth creation is a gradual process that requires hard work and dedication. Welcome to TopThingy.com. Today we're counting down the top 10 ways to make money online. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button to get future updates on our videos. Number 10. Freelancing. What we love about freelancing is the fact that you can start earning money right away. But first, you need to develop your portfolio, especially if your niche is highly competitive because people only want to buy services that other people are buying. One way to build your portfolio is to establish trust by inviting your friends and families to order your service and leave a great review. Number 9. Outsourcing. Even though outsourcing will not necessarily earn you passive income, it is one of the laziest ways to make money online. Just so we have a frame of reference, let's pretend you spend $100 on an SEO service, which made your website rank first page on Google. There are several businesses out there that would pay you over $2,000 to get the same result. Outsourcing also helps you to take advantage of the popular misconception that the price of something is proportional to its value. Number 8. YouTube. These days, one can hardly go a day without watching a video on the internet. Making money off of YouTube requires a lot of patience and consistency. You need to upload videos regularly. As your list of subscribers starts to grow, you will see the results in your earnings as well. Number 7. Blogging. Blogging is one of the major ways to make money online. In fact, if anyone told you they made a lot of money online, chances are they also have a blog. Blogging allows you to have multiple streams of income, from advertising to guest posting to affiliate marketing. To become successful as a blogger, the first thing you need is to register your domain name under a hosting company with amazing speed and unlimited bandwidth. Number 6. Sponsored posts. If you have a high-traffic blog, you should definitely consider making money off of sponsored posts. Companies will pay for the space they use up on your site for publishing posts, videos, infographics, as well as writing product reviews, announcements, and offer summaries. Sponsored posts can be written by you or by the sponsoring brand itself. If the brand expects you to write the post, you should charge more, since they are not just renting space on your website. Number 5. Dropshipping. Today's world has created numerous opportunities to tap from, and dropshipping is one of the top e-commerce businesses you can start to rake high profits. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about having a physical store for your products, as you have direct access to the seller. All you have to do is find great products selling at amazing prices and then retail it at a higher price through your online store. Number 4. Sell your social media accounts. While some people find it very easy to gather followers on social media but have no idea how to make money off of it, others know how to convert a large following on social media into a revenue-generating business. If you're in the first category of people, you could sell each of your social media accounts for thousands of dollars. Number 3. Teach what you know. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is also leverage. Everyone has talent, and any talent you work at consistently becomes a skill. A skill set you possess will always meet the needs of someone elsewhere. You can make money teaching what you already know by publishing ebooks or via webinars or conference calls. Maintain your relevance by updating, reviewing, and recreating your content. Number 2. Invest in crowdfunded real estate. If you have some money sitting in the bank, the best way to make money online with little to no effort is through real estate investment crowdfunding. Crowdfunded real estate investment websites are particularly attractive to non-accredited investors with a net worth under $1 million or annual incomes less than $200,000 due to the possibility to invest as low as $1,000. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. We just love affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is the fact that you can earn through several channels and you don't even need to have a product of your own. Simply promote an already established brand and earn money each time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Our next video will introduce you to the top 10 affiliate marketing niches you must join to earn passive and ongoing affiliate commission. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please use the comment section below and we'll try our best to respond. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also visit our website at www.topthingy.com.